Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to install any Wi-Fi drivers without internet in a Windows 10, Windows 8 or Windows 7 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. Before go to our video, if you not subscribe the channel, then subscribe the channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's go to our video. First, we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC. In this PC, right click on it and click on the properties. Click on the properties. In a properties, we find many options. Go to the system type. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. Check your machine bit. It is very IMP. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Next step is we want a hardware ID of our Wi-Fi adapter or the Wi-Fi, our Wi-Fi card or the Wi-Fi adapter or the Wi-Fi network. That is very easy. Go to the start, right click on the start, not a left click, right click on the start. Here we find device manager, click on the device manager. In a device manager, we find many options. Here we find network adapters, expand network adapters. In a network adapters, find your Wi-Fi, wireless or the Wi-Fi adapter. Find your Wi-Fi, right click on the Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi or wireless LAN card or the Wi-Fi, right click on it. And here we find properties, click on the properties. In a properties, we find details, click on the details. In a details, here we find property. In a property, we find device description. Click on the device description and here click on the hardware IDs. Click on the hardware IDs and we want the value. Go to the first value, whatever first value, select the first value and right click on the first value and click on the copy. Copy this first value, whatever first value is and click on the OK, close it. And next step is go to the start and type notepad and click on the notepad. Okay, and here paste that value and go to the file and click on the save as and go to the desktop. On the desktop, save as the Wi-Fi or any file name that you want. I save as the Wi-Fi, click on save and click on the close. Our machine has not an active internet, so that is our problem. So we want to download our drivers. That's why go to any other PC or laptop or any mobile, any Android or the iOS or the Mac, go to any PC or laptop and download our drivers. This is our next step. For that, I attach my pen drive to my PC. I attach my pen drive. So I go to this PC, go to my pen drive or USB drive, double click on it and copy this Wi-Fi file, right click on and copy it and go to there, right click on it and paste it at here. Paste at this file at here and close it and go to that PC or laptop or mobile and follow our next step. I'm in the new PC and this new PC has an active internet. So I go to this PC. Here is my newly attached USB drive or the pen drive. Attach your pen drive or USB drive, double click on it. Here we find our file, notepad file, double click on it. And here we find our hardware ID or the hardware value, right click on it and click on that copy this hardware ID or the value, minimize it and this time I create a new window for our Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your new PC and here I type Google. You can type anything. I go to the Google. In a Google, type driver pack solution. Type driver pack solution and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the driver pack. Open the first link from the driver pack. Here we find many options. Here we find driver search. Click on the driver search. In a driver search, here we type our or paste our hardware ID. Type or paste this hardware ID as it is in this find and click on this find. It search our drivers And here we find 3 links. Download drivers automatically. It's download the full software of this driver pack we don't need. So I go to the here we find our operating system. If you not select your operating system right, then click at here. If Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the Windows 10 64-bit, Windows 10 86, then 32-bit, then go to the 86. Same thing with the 8.1, 8.1, and same thing with the 8 and Windows 7. And if in any case Windows 10 drivers are now not available with your Wi-Fi, then go to the Windows 8, 8.1 or 7. Windows 7 drivers are also work with our Windows 10 operating system. In this case, I go to the Windows 11 and we can see Windows 11 is drivers are not available. That case, go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Okay, Windows 10 64-bit. Go to the here current driver of the Windows 10 64-bit. That is our options. And don't go to this install drivers automatically. It's install or download the full drivers, and also don't download these 3 drivers. It's also a full drivers pack of this software. So scroll down and here we find link, and this is the actually link of our Wi-Fi drivers, and we are going to download this link. Go to the here last bottom and click at here, and our download is started at the top, and it takes few minutes or few seconds depending on the speed of your internet and file size. Click at here downloads, click on show in a folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to your desktop, or right click on it and copy it or Ctrl C, or I just drag this file to desktop, and I once again go to this PC, go to my USB drive or your pen drive and copy it, right click on it and copy it, or drag this file to this pen drive and close it, and go to the your Windows 10 machine or Windows 7 or 8 machine that has a problem with the Wi-Fi. I close it and I go to my main machine. After that, connect your USB or USB pen drive to your main PC or laptop. In this case, this is my Windows 10 PC. Go to this PC, go to your USB drive or pen drive, double click on it, and go to your file. Go to your file that you recently downloaded on your pen drive. This is our file. Drag this zip file to desktop. Close it. Here is our zip file. Right click on this zip file. Right click on it, and here we find extract files. Click on the extract files. Click on the OK, and new folder is created on our desktop. Double click on it. Double click on it, double click on it, double click on it, double click on it, and here is our drivers, and we are going to install these drivers manually. That is very easy and simple process. Close it. Next step is go to our start. Right click on the start. Here we find device manager. Click on the device manager. In a device manager, we find many options. Go to the network adapter, expand network adapter. In a network adapter, select your Wi-Fi network or the Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi. Right click on it. Click on the update drivers. Here we find many options. Click on browse my computer for drivers. In a path, in a location, click on the browse. Go to the desktop. In a desktop, here is our folder. Double click on our folder. It's automatically expand and click on OK. Include this subfolder is also check, and click on this next button. It's install our drivers in a few seconds. It's take 1 or 2 minutes also. Wait for a few seconds and our drivers are downloaded. In my case, my drivers are already downloaded. Close it, and after that close our network adapter and restart our machine. Go to the start and restart our machine. After machine is restart, we can see on our taskbar our Wi-Fi connection is connected. If it's not connected, then go to here and add your Wi-Fi network or the Wi-Fi network name and the password, and connect to your Wi-Fi to your router, and that's all. Our internet working. Check our internet is working or not. Go to the Google Chrome. In a Google Chrome, type something. I type Google, and here we find our internet is working in our Windows 10, 8, 8.1, 7 or any Windows operating system. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix this simple issue by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.